Authorities investigate suspected smuggling operation involving hundreds of Indian nationals. Also this evening, United Methodist Church lifts ban on same-sex marriages. Local stakeholders react. And Labor and Social Security intervenes in labor dispute at JPS. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Shamela Pullen. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. Details right after the break.